Kitten, do you need food? You do? I'm following you. So where's this food you need? Are you worried Kobe's out of food? Well, thank you very much. Where's your food? Where's your food, kitten? Where's your food, kitten? Alright, I'm coming. What? What's that, kitten? I'm purring away. What do you need, kitten? You opened the closet already? What? You're loving everything in sight. Oh, really? Where's your food? What? Really? Kitten? Whoa! Like a tiger. Is your food in here? Oh, you want to go outside? Whoa! Oh, kitten. Now you got Kobe here. Kitten, what about your food? Alright, let's get her some food, Kobe. Kitten, is this what you need? This is what you need? Thanks for your help, Kobe. Alright, you're safe. Oh, look at that. She was definitely starving to death. Got there right on time.